5th Education Expo and Book Fair. Better education, better nation. Let's plan for its bright future. After 4 successful events, Pakistan's biggest 5th Education Expo and Book Fair, organized by Nazariaipakistan at AiwaniQuaidiAzam, Johar town, Lahore, on January 10th, 11th and 12th, 2025. Main features of the event: career counseling sessions, motivational lectures, Mehfil-e Mushaira, activity lounge, lucky draws, handicrafts and food court. A unique opportunity for students, faculty, librarians and all segments of society. Rush with your family and friends.